Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akemi Nicole, and if you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button below and make sure you click the bell notification so you get all of my notifications every time I post, and make sure you like this video if you do. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get these mini Marley twists on your own. Very easy, very simple, and if you are interested in seeing how I do this, keep watching. Okay, so you know how I do. I come on when I only have a couple more left, so I have 3 left so that you guys don't have to sit and watch me do 1,001 braids. In my hair, I'm using Twisted Up by Expression, and it comes with 3 bundles like this. In each pack, I'm using a 1B and the 2T 1B30, which is like a little orange. I don't know, like I guess it's kind of orange, I don't know, but that's the color I'm using, mixing it in with. And in each little bundle comes 10 twists. I tried to do it originally with 1 twist, but I like it better split in half. So I've been splitting the twist in half. So it comes with 3 bundles each. I've used so far 3.5 bundles. I feel like the prep work makes the hairstyle go quicker. So what I did was I parted my hair and twisted it just like this at the beginning, so I knew how many twists I needed. Then I broke the pieces apart and laid them out so they're all like laid out already, and then I started twisting. So in total, I would say the parting and the breaking apart took about an hour, and then the actual twisting took about 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So not that bad, not that bad. All right, so here is my first twist, and I'm just gonna take that out and break it apart. And I do this it's very similar to how I do the Senegalese twist, and I'll link that card above, so if you want to look at that. But this is more like distressed, more carefree, just more light. And I needed a quick hairstyle to do while I'm working out during this month. So this was one piece, and it was so easy to break apart. It is still messy, but so I have this piece here, and then I'm gonna split up. Actually, I'm gonna put some Shine and Jam on it so it's really sleek. I'm only putting the Shine and Jam on my base or near my roots because I want the rest of my hair to blend in with it. I don't want the rest of my hair to be really sleek. So I'm really just putting it on the roots of my hair. Just like that.
I've already moisturized my hair though.
Then I'm gonna break it apart, and I have this twist. What I'm gonna do is place the twist evenly in the middle, and I'm gonna twist one strand forward, just like that, and I'm gonna twist the other strand forward. And then after that, I'm gonna twist the hair the opposite way while still twisting the hair in the same direction. So it's like a 2-part situation. I'm gonna be twisting the hair opposite way that I'm twisting the strands. So as I'm going down, I'm twisting each strand the opposite way.
I'm gonna do that all the way to the end.
Now let's do the next one. I'm gonna use a black piece here, but I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put some Shine and Jam on the roots.
Alright. Dang, my stomach is growling.
I'm gonna take a black strand this time, and I'm gonna put it in the middle evenly as possible. And then I'm gonna twist my hair with the crochet hair this way, and then do the same with this strand, twist it that way, And then twist them together, but the opposite way, while I'm still twisting to my left. While I'm twisting the hair to my left. I'm twisting the strands to the right. I hope that makes sense. Hopefully just watching it kind of helps too. I'm just rolling it as I go. And the last one, I should do this one. I'm gonna do this one black as well. Some sleek and shine on the edges. Twisting to my left, twisting the other strand to my left, and then twisting them together to the right while I'm still twisting. Now I like to do it this way because there's no knot. There's no need to braid it beforehand and use crochet or anything. It's very seamless. Or use the crochet needle. But it's very seamless. It looks like it's coming out of your root because the hair is similar texture to my hair. And I just did this style on just really stretched hair. I didn't blow dry it. I didn't want it to be too straight and I didn't want it to start sticking out of the twist and looking different. Now I want to do the front two over because I want them to be a little bit shorter than the rest, because right now they're all the same size, but I want it to be like somewhat like a bang. So I'm gonna do those two over. Okay, so I took out this strand that I did yesterday and well the other day, and I am gonna just shorten it a little bit and add some color to it. And we're gonna do this twist again. Okay. So now I just want to have these little bang like, you know.
Still very long. It's fine. It's cool. It's not as long, but it's still kind of long. I'm gonna cut it a little bit though. I'm gonna start to get a little skinny. I'm just gonna cut it.
Okay, so I'm going to lay my hair while I get ready. Put a little bit of this stuff on my edges. Where's my scarf? Very roughly. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, all that good stuff below. And also follow me on Instagram at AkimiNicole_, and I'll see you guys in the next video.